geology
Okay.
from the University of Calgary.
Okay.
And I worked offshore for a while as a mud logger.
Okay.
Offshore Tuktoyaktuk and
Where's
Dead
that?
Horse, Alaska.
Oh, okay.
Tuktoyaktuk is, you go straight north of here, and when Canada ends,
Oh.
you're right there in
Oh.
the Arctic Circle.
Oh.
I did that for a number of years and decided that I would go back to school, and I got a diploma in computer technology because I saw that computers were actually, and this would have been 1990, 91.
All right.
So computers were still DOS, but there was a revolution going on, and I kind of saw
Yeah.
it. So I went and got my computer programming, developing drilling software with CSS in 1994 as a programmer.
Okay.
I was hired on to help develop a cased hole logging system to run our bond tools, and as well as correlation tools, gamma CCL, temp, that sort of thing. After a couple of years, I became the software manager,
Mm-hmm.
and we developed the first Windows software cased hole logging system with CSS. That evolved into being the customer support manager, still being the software manager.
Mm-hmm.
So I became customer support manager, and with my interaction with the customers and my knowledge, it was just a natural transition to go into sales. So I became the sales manager, still being the customer support manager.
Right.
Which actually, when someone's talking to you and you're trying to sell the tool to them, if they know you're the guy that's going to be supporting the tool as well, then you can really talk to them. You're not just a sales guy.
Yeah. Yeah.
I will be there all the way with them, not just the sale and the go-to when they have a
Right.
problem or they need some extras. In 2003, CSS got bought by Sondex. Year or so, I became the product manager for Sondex for the logging tools that we produced in Calgary, which were still the bond tools and the
Just for the
correlation
Canadian
tools.
market or globally?
It would be globally, but it was
Okay.
that suite of tools that I was a project manager for.
Right.
Sondex was bought in 2006 or 7 by General Electric. I worked with them for about a year and a half. In 2010, I joined DSS's team. I'd worked with all these guys since the 90s. I mean, the experience level that we have here is everyone who's working here currently worked at CSS.
Okay.
So I mean,
It's the legacy.
It's the legacy. We're
Yeah.
carrying on the same quality and service that we had at CSS and at DSS. That's our philosophy. So
Right.
now it's just like old times. We're doing sales and customer support and developing tools. And
Many hats.
I like that though.
Yeah.
That keeps us dynamic. It keeps us on our toes so we can better help the customer. And once you go into put people in their own boxes and departments and everything else, it gets disjointed.
Yeah.
I mean, here we can make decisions on the fly.
Right.
If we want to turn right, we turn right. We don't have to have a committee or a meeting to do it. We just do
Keep nimble.
it. Exactly.